Hello everyone, welcome to GRE Question of the Day. Today we will discuss a question on groups, sequences and functions. As you can see, our today's question is a quantitative comparison question wherein we are given that there are 30 students in Mr. Peterson's gym class and 14 of them play basketball, 13 play baseball and 9 play neither basketball nor baseball. Then we are given two quantities A and B such that A is equal to the number of students who play both basketball and baseball and B is equal to 6, and we need to determine if A is greater than B, that is option 1, or if B is greater than A, that is option 2, or if A is equal to B, that is option 3, or if the relationship cannot be determined from the given information, that is option 4. Before we move on, I would request all of you to pause this video and try to solve this question on your own. In case you couldn't do it, do not lose hope since I'm here to help you out. Before we move on to the detailed solution, let us take a quick glance at the correct answer. As you can see, the correct answer is option 3. That is, the two quantities are equal. Now let us see how we arrived at this particular answer. So it is given to us that there are 30 students in total in his gym class and 9 do not play either basketball or baseball. So let us draw a Venn diagram to represent it better. Let us call this as basketball. Let us denote this by X, and baseball is denoted by Y. So we know that the total number of students who play either basketball or baseball is equal to, that is the total number of students contained in this is equal to 21 since 9 do not play. Okay, and let us assume the number of students who play both of basketball and baseball as X. In that case, the number of students who play only basketball will be equal to 14 minus X, and the number of students who play only baseball will be equal to 13 minus X. And now this sum total of these three will be equal to 21. So let us add this to find X. 14 minus X plus 13 minus X is equal to 21. On solving, you'll see that X is equal to 6. That is, the number of students who play both basketball and baseball is equal to 6, which is in turn equal to quantity B. Thus, we see that A is always equal to B, giving us option 3 as the correct answer. I hope you guys could follow the solution. In case you couldn't, please pause this video and go through the typed solution here. With this, we come to an end of our today's session. We'll be back soon with more videos. Until then, keep working hard. Thank you and all the best.